This video provides a step-by-step guide to placing an order on our website. Let's get started. Click the login button at the top right corner of any page to access the login registration page. If you already have an account with us, enter your registered email and password, then click Login to access our wholesale benefits. If you haven't registered an account, click the Create an Account tab and fill in the required information. After completing the form, click the Create button. A message will appear confirming your application is under review, and you'll receive an email requesting additional information. Check your email inbox and your junk spam folder just in case for the message from us with further instructions. The product categories above the email are clickable, and after clicking, you will jump directly to the corresponding page of our website. Please reply to the email with the following supporting documents: business license or proof of registration, salon or cosmetology license if applicable, photos of your business interior. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out using the contact information provided in the email. Once your wholesale eligibility is approved, you'll receive a follow-up email from us with your login details and a $20 coupon for your first purchase. Simply log into your account and use the coupon right away. Once your wholesale eligibility is approved and you've logged into your account with wholesale access, a $20 discount coupon will automatically pop up. The coupon code is First Order 20 off. Simply enter it at checkout when placing your first order. You can now start adding products to your shopping cart. In this video, we use men's hair systems as an example. Click on a product category, then select a product to go to its detail page. There, you'll find product images and specifications such as size, material, and more. On the product page, choose the size, color, add-on services, and any other required options. Then, click the Add to Cart button. The item will now appear in your cart. To review or update product details, click View Cart. To edit the size, color, or other options of a product already in your cart, click Edit, make your selections again, and click Save Changes to confirm. To remove a product from your cart, click Remove below the item. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Remove again to confirm removal. To remove all items, click Remove All at the bottom right of the cart and confirm on the pop-up. After reviewing your cart, enter the coupon code First Order 20 off and click Apply Coupon to enjoy your $20 discount. Ready to check out? Click Checkout to proceed. If you need to make changes, click the back button in the upper left corner to return to your cart. Enter your shipping address and click Save Address. If your billing address is the same, select Same as Shipping Address. If it's different, choose Use a different billing address, fill in the form, and save. To update your shipping address, click the drop-down arrow. Then click the three dots next to the address to edit, or click Add Shipping Address with the plus icon to add a new one. If you have any special instructions, feel free to leave a note at the bottom of the address section. Double-check your address, selected products, prices, and discounts. Once everything looks good, select your payment method. In this video, we use credit card as an example. Enter your payment details and click Complete Order to finish your purchase. When you paid, you will receive an order email. And to view the status of your orders, you can go to your account profile and click on Orders.